The group trip has come out of the group chat.
Because we want to do shopping in the Sarojini market. Good morning, let me show you how the vibes Manali is having right now. And after seeing that, I bet you will also get that interest that I should also go to Manali. So it's so cold inside the bus also.
Anu, you know me.
Okay, she is my PU friend and these are her friends.
I am Bushra.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Anne-Marie. Hello, I'm India. From Karma Institute of Medical Sciences, and we are in our internship. These are the last days of our internship, and
So
we
we
are
are,
finally
maximum.
going on Manali trip. And we started our journey today. We started our day at 6 a.m. We got 8 a.m. Yeah, we freshened up. We had our breakfast in Karwa Girls Hostel Mess, and it was chow chow bar. And we made some reels on railway station of Madgaon railway station. After that, our train was at 11:20 a.m. and we boarded the train which goes from Madgaon to Delhi, and we are on the way.
As we came to Delhi now, we reached Delhi. It's almost 2:30 p.m. and we kept our luggages in the clock room because we want to do shopping in the Sarojini market. So now we have got down in like this platform, in the very beginning platform, but we need to go to the 16th platform and then we'll be catching the metro to Sarojini market, and then I'll be showing you how the scenes is because they say that this is the holy time, peak time, so this place is so crowded. But I don't feel in the station is much crowded, so we'll go to Sarojini market, that's the main market, and they say that Sarojini market is closed on every Tuesdays. So luckily we have come today on Thursday, so we are lucky that we can go and do shopping. And the clock room charges, they charge around like 160 rupees for 2 bags, and all the we can keep for our personal lockers also. So yeah, it's okay, but don't give the full amount whatever they ask. Try bargaining.
सरोजिनी मार्केट वाला
Sarojini market. From the railway station, we just came towards the Majnuka Tilla to catch the bus for the Manali, and we just hired an auto rickshaw to reach here. It was almost 200 rupees for the auto, and now we are heading towards that point where we'll meet the driver. So let's go and see the bus. We are leaving to Manali tonight. So to have dinner we had come to a Nepali cuisine restaurant. So 8:30 we are having the bus and 8 p.m. now we are having dinner. For the dinner we had ordered ramen. That ramen you already know what's ramen and all. So there was one more dish that I have, like I'm having right now. That's called tenzuk. I wanted to introduce this dish to you guys. So this basically is a Tibetan dish. It is made of handmade noodles. Along with that they added soup, veggies, leaves. Just quite soft and smooth textured. So we'll be having this, and even I wanted to show this packet to you. This is similarly to Maggi from appearance, but this is basically a Nepali noodles called Vai. We can have these noodles directly, like without boiling. We can consume this. There are multiple forms to consume this noodles. Inside the packet they have provided with the masala and the seasoning oil. We can mix this all together and have this, just like how you have Lay's kurkure. And after having this we'll be boarding the bus, and it's an overnight journey obviously. Unfortunately we have got the seats that is towards the last of the bus. So this journey is going to be like towards the hill station. So I don't know how it will be. I hope it will be good only because we'll be sleeping obviously. So morning we'll be reaching Manali. I have already got the contact details of the person who is going to pick up us. So we'll reach there. I don't know how cold it will be because even I have not bought any winter gears actually. Specifically because I had a plan that I'll buy it in the Pahad itself. Let me buy there. Even in terms of cost and in terms of varieties, both are feasible there. Even cost wise it's little less and even variety we get Pahadi collections. So I'll be going there, I'll be showing you how the place is, because night and all I can't do video because it will be obviously dark. So morning let me show you how the vibes Manali is having right now. And after seeing that, I bet you will also get that interest that I should also go to Manali. Because just by thinking that all the time I'm already excited when I'll be going to Manali. Yeah. Volvo bus will stop at this high-rated restaurant. So obviously they charge that. And so near, like from Delhi, we left at 8:30 p.m. and almost it's 11 p.m. and we are almost in Haryana. So you can see people who are staying in Delhi are so lucky. They can just come wherever they want. These beautiful places are so near to Delhi. So we are also wishing that we were so near to these kind of places. This is our bus and the bus has stopped early morning. The location is somewhere like around 58 kilometers from Kulu, and still we have 98 kilometers for Manali, and you can see the Pahad. I just woke up. I was just sleeping, deep sleep, and suddenly the bus stopped and I was wondering what happened. And yeah, seeing the Pahad made me so good that I'm back to mountains. Very cold place, so it's so cold inside the bus also. Outside also it will be same temperature, so getting